What's up, y'all? This is my first dip review, and I'm Dylan, and today we're going to be dipping on some Stokers mint. I get this in a tub can that it comes with is a refillable plastic can. It's supposed to come with about 10 cans in the tub. That's what it looks like. Go ahead and get a pinch of this. Okay, let that sit for a while. While we're letting this sit, I want to do an unboxing for you guys. I will not be using these anymore. Let's check it out. So I got this package in today, and let's open it up and see what it is. Order confirmation from Mudjug. Okay, first we got a Mudjug's t-shirt. I don't know how well you can see on this. We got an OD Green can lid, a Chris Dips 1 can lid. We got the OD Green Roadie. And we got the OD Green Mudjug Original. Alright, so we got the Mudjug shirt on. First spitting. Glorious. Got the OD Green Original, OD Green Roadie, OD Green can lid, and the Chris Dips 1 can lid. Okay, back to the Stokers mint. Stokers mint is personally my favorite dip right now. It's the longest cut they have out there, and it holds together really well in your mouth. It pinches really great. The minty flavor isn't overpowering, but it's really good mint, and you can buy it in tubs. Here in Mississippi, it's about $12 for a 10 can tub, which you can't really beat that. So I don't know, go try out Stokers and check out mudjugs.com. Go pick you up some Mudjugs. Thank you. Have a good day.